I'm going to recreate Rihanna's Ocean 8 red carpet look, where she actually gave us all a sneak peek to our new holiday collection. So I'm here with my girl Lauren.
Hey girl.
Hey, and I'm going to show you this look. So Lauren is Fenty face prepped, and she is wearing Pro Filter foundation in 360. And now I'm going to start by doing her eyeshadow using our Pro Filter amplifying eye primer. I'm just going to dot a couple dots on the lid. And then I'm going to take our all over eyeshadow brush and I'm going to blend it all over the eyelid. And now I'm going to take the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette, pick up a little bit on the Come and Get It eyeshadow using the blending brush, dabbing it on the back of my hand to get some of that excess eyeshadow off, working it outward and then into the crease, especially the outer part of the lash line where it ends, going up into the crease, because it really helps pull the eyes out. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Hennessy, and I'm going to apply it right in the crease of the eye. So kind of below my Come and Get It. This is going to give my eye a little bit more definition and 3-dimension to really give a pretty lifting effect on the eye. Now I'm going to take our eye and lip crayon in Frost Money. I'm going to take the color in Smoky Perp, and it was the exact color that we used for the Ocean's 8 premiere. Then I'm going to start to apply it all over the eyelid as a base, starting on the lash line and just bringing it up. Now I'm going to take from the Moroccan Spice palette a little bit of Nuts and Dates, and I'm going to take our all over eyeshadow brush and I'm going to press this on top of our Smoky Perp lip and eye pencil and give that gorgeous smoky purple color. So as I'm taking it, I'm pressing it on top, but then also bringing it upward a little bit into the crease so that it just has that really beautiful even blend. I could also go back in with my crease brush and kind of blend out the edges a little bit so it's not too harsh. Now I'm going to go back in with my Hennessy and kind of deepen up the crease area a little bit. Then we'll take a little bit more of Come and Get It right above. Now I'm going to go back in with some Come and Get It, and I'm going to smoke out underneath the bottom lash line. Just give a little bit of warmth with it. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Smoky Perp, and I'm going to use it right on the lash line. And then go back in with my Nuts and Dates and just smoke it out. Now I'm going to take our fly liner, and I'm actually going to do the thinnest, closest line possible. One of the first times I ever did Rihanna's eyeliner, she was like, I want the thinnest line, like right on my lash line. I was like, oh my gosh. At that time we had our testers for fly liner, and I remember taking it and it was so easy to do. Now I'm going to do some false lashes and a little bit of mascara, and we'll be back. Now I'm going to take Guava Mint Eye and Lip Crayon from the Frost Bunny collection, and I'm going to apply this on the inner corners of the eye. Now I'm going to take our Killawatt, and I'm going to take a little bit of the Ginger Binge side with our cheek hugging highlighting brush, and I'm going to start to apply it right on the tops of the cheekbones, kind of using it as a blush and a highlighter. You can really go in with this. This actually gives a really beautiful lifting effect. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Then I'll take Moscow Mule and apply that more so on the top of the cheekbone. Gives it more of a highlighty glow effect. And I'm going to take my crease brush and apply it down the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, Cupid's bow of the lip, and the chin. Now I'm going to take our new Killawatt Foil palette, especially for holiday. It's just so beautiful, super gorgeous. I'm gonna take the color in Stone Cold. I'm gonna take that right on top and you're just gonna see this pop, this beautiful glow. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of that and go down the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, Cupid's bow of the lip, and the chin. And also a little bit on the brow bone. Love a good brow bone highlight. Now we're gonna finish up the look with our lip. I'm gonna be going back in with our Smoking Perp that we used on the eyes earlier. So these are called eye and lip crayons, and they truly are for the eyes and the lips. As you can see, every now and then I kind of go on the back of my hand and kind of rub, just to kind of activate the color. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. For more videos like this, make sure that you follow us at Fenty Beauty.